Good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to revise according to the blueprint. Let us have a check of your blueprint. I have already posted in the group. So you have meanings 3 marks, question and answers 10 marks, grammar 20 marks, composition is for 2 marks and comprehension is for 5 marks. And your paper is having 4 sections. First section, in section A, you have reading comprehension. You have reading comprehension, that is unseen passages. You have practiced very well. So don't worry about that. Only thing is you have to read the passage 2 to 3 times and answer the questions in that. Regarding to that particular passage only, I will be giving the questions. But you will be get an opposite word, a singular plural or a meaning like that. I will be giving 5 questions. For that you have 5 marks. And section B, you have writing skills. You have writing skills, that is of your composition. You have already there in your classwork. Remember, you have to write in a passage form. Don't write in a point-wise form. You have to write only in the passage form, that is already there in your classwork book. You have practiced well that also. And coming to this section C, you have grammar for 20 marks. This is also we have practiced well. You know how to arrange a sentence in an order and everything is there. How a subject, predicate, matchings, everything is there. So this also it is easy to you only. And now section D, you have meanings and your question and answers. You will be giving 3 meanings and question and answers. In this question and answers, 2 into 2. This is 2 marks questions 2 and 3 marks. Already we have half of the part we have discussed in the previous class, and I have posted a worksheet regarding to that video. Right now this is your grammar part. Let us check. You have an opposite words like this. You will be giving a box and thus you have a group of letters. You have to search what is the opposite word. This is happy. Happy opposite word is sad. Always, never. Old, new. Like that you have to choose. Rearrange these words to make questions. So what you have to do is, they have given like this. You have to rearrange the sentence and in a question form. Remember, WH is a question form. So where, when, what, how, who, all these. So what you have to do, you have to rearrange the sentence and again you have to put a question mark. Let us check. Jack sees where school. Where is Jack's school? So start writing here. Sentence starts with a capital letter. Where is Jack is a person. Name of a person. This is. So it starts with a capital letter. Jack's school. Where is Jack's school is a question mark. Someone called did me. Did someone call me? So starts with capital letter. Did someone call me is a question mark. Like that you have to frame a questions. In question forms you have to rearrange. We have very well revised all the worksheets and all. I hope you are doing your worksheets well and you are able to answer the worksheets. The only thing is you have to practice. Don't get confused. Be thorough with your spellings. Be thorough with your question and answers, with your meanings, everything. And grammar part, you have 20 marks for grammar part, and you have to do is you have to practice all the what is there in your grammar part. Rearrange the sentences, question forms, opposite words, everything. Okay. And unseen passage, you will be giving an unseen passage. You have to read that passage 2 to 3 times and answer the questions. Don't worry about that. It will be easy. You have practiced so many times. So don't get confused and don't be panic. You can rock. So only thing is, take out your books and practice. Read all the spellings, children.